Scraps, what are we going to do? Pebble has one heart left and Cosmo is dead. Tisha. Let's sneak into Danny's secret drug stash and do 50 lines of cocaine. Yeah. What the hell are you guys doing? Getting lit. Why are you guys in my drug stash? And look what you did to Astro! We're late. Fuck! Aw. How are we going to do 50 lines of cocaine now? Don't worry, I got a drug dealer. Boop. Who the fuck is this? We need drugs, cocaine, now. Oh, hell yeah, meet me in the alleyway. Got the stuff. Yeah? Wait. This isn't enough to do 50 lines. Yeah, it is. Don't fuck with me, Razzle. Wee-oo, 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 ah, wee-oo, wee-oo. Did you call the police on us? Maybe. Drop your weapons! Damn it, this was a setup. Let go of me! You're going away for a long time. You're gonna regret this. Save it for the judge. Meanwhile... Hang in there, Astro. I don't think bro's hanging in there. Well, the results are in. Give it to us straight, Doc. Astro has drug cancer and will never be able to roll a blunt again. This can't be true. No, Astro. No, there has to be a way to cure him. There is one way. The only way to cure Astro is by smoking the ultimate pack. The ultimate pack, but no one has ever lived after smoking it. So it's a life for life, huh? I'll do it. I'll smoke the ultimate pack and cure him. No, you can't be. You'll die. It's okay, Shelly. Sometimes in life, you have to make sacrifices. Bro, the fuck is this main character shit? Anyways, here's the contact info of the guy who can help you find the ultimate pack.
Cosmo, hurry the fuck up and needs more cocaine powder.
Bro, zip it. I ain't trying to spill it all over the table. By the way, we're running low on cocaine powder.
God damn it, gotta hit up the plug again. Ah, let me taste this shit.
Sprout, you good?
Tisha, Scraps, you have both been brought to court today for possession of illegal substances. You both have committed a felony, which is not something this court takes lightly. Tisha, Scraps, you have been found guilty and will be serving 7 years. Roger, take him away.
Nah! Fuck you, bitch! Tegan! Look, Tisha, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for everything to escalate up to this, and I just wanted to do cocaine with you. It's okay, Scraps. Even though we may be in jail and got set up, it's been fun being with you. Well, I guess we're gonna spend 7 years in jail. Wait, what's that over there? I think I see some keys over there. I might be able to use my tail to get him. I wouldn't do that if I were you. There's cameras in here. They'll catch it if you try. Also, those keys aren't real. They're literally toy keys the guards brought from Walmart. Oh well, do you know how to get out of here? Yeah, I'll need a favor first. Nothing's free in prison, you know. What favor? Well, recently Little Rocco was delivering some of the goods to a homie in another cell block. But then my poor boy got snatched by one of those damn guards. So I need you two to find my little Rocco and bust him out of there. Do that and I'll get you two free from this stump. Right, and how exactly are we gonna look for him? We aren't out of the cell, you know. Oh, I have the perfect idea to get you two out of there. Here, take these. Boop. Now watch this. Brightney! What the fuck do you want? Hey, Brightney. What is it, Gigi? Fuck 12. Roger, get in here now. Now, look here, you snagmouth motherfucker. There's an address on the back for a casino downtown. Downtown? That's a long way from here. I know, that's why we're stealing a car. Oh, that one looks good. How are we gonna get into it, though? Car crash noise, looks at Shelly. Be ready. All right, let's hijack this car. Okay. Alright, gang, let's get this road on the show. At the casino.
Bro, just hit the fucking shot already.
Got any aces? Go fish.
Bitch, that's my bingo card. Ah!
Jeez, this place is a mess. Not for real, though. Who the fuck are we looking for again? We're looking for a guy named Shrimpo. Since this place is big, we should probably split up to look for him. Okie dokie. Aight. Insert walking noises. Hello? Excuse me, but you must be Shrimpo, right?
Meanwhile, again, Cosmo, go!
Yeah, Sprout?
We must contact the plug.